Y'all, guess what? I just got a notification that my children's book was delivered today. I just ordered a paperback off of Amazon. I need to go ahead and order that hardcover from Ingram Spark, but nonetheless, my paperback has come. I'm so excited. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. So like I already told y'all, the children's book is here, and here are my initial thoughts. So I went with a matte finish because they said that was better for dark colors. Think I'm gonna go on Ingram Spark and Amazon KDP and change it to gloss. I feel like these could be pulled down, and I'm gonna have to double check, but I followed the guide or the template that Amazon has, so I don't want to like pull it down and then you can't see it. I also feel like maybe it's just because it's this matte finish, so it's not giving me the gloss that I'm looking for. And it okay, so hold on, pause. This matte one, I wanted to have that glossy shine, so I am going to switch it to glossy and order one, and I think I'm gonna like the glossy better. But also this is picking up, and I don't know if you can even see it on camera, so what I'm gonna do is record it on my phone, but it's picking up fingerprints really easily, and I don't like that. Now the inside, the pages are just, you know, they're good. The colors are nice and vibrant, so let's do a page. My spreads are lined up perfectly. Colors look fine. I'm happy with that. Looks like how it looked on my iPad. And then of course I just kind of flip through and double check again. So other than the cover, everything is fine. So I definitely think we need the glossy because I don't like the fingerprints. That's my initial thought. Yeah, I think because it's so dark, or at least in person, I feel like this is missing something. So originally I did have the cartoons of the kids on the front cover, and I took them off, and I don't know if I want to add them back on. I don't know if I want to brighten this cover page or not. It's a spin on this page here, and I don't know if I want to brighten it, which I may do. I don't know. And then that's the little back, and that's the little synopsis. It says, when three cousins, Lexi, Leo, and Levi, gather to decorate their new pencils, a simple question sparks a magical journey. With the help of affirmations and the power of imagination, the trio embarks on an adventure that leads them to a secret clubhouse filled with wonder, hidden slides, race cars, and magical words like brave, confident, and strong. Through play and positive self-talk, the children discover the magic within themselves and that their imagination can take them anywhere. A heartwarming tale that encourages creativity, confidence, and the joy of believing in yourself. I do have my dedication and copyright down here. The dedication says, to my June babies, your imagination can take you anywhere, to faraway lands, to hidden clubhouses, to castles in the sky, or jungles full of giggles. Keep dreaming big, shining bright, and always remember, you are creative, talented, and uniquely you. And then I have my little copyright information down here. It do have, as I've stated throughout my whole journey, I am the author and the illustrator, and the kids are illustrators of this book as well. And that's the page with all of their little illustrations. The quality of this book actually feel really good. It feels like any other paperback. I just wish it had glossy. The pages and inside look good. None of my pages, you know, my template that I bought or my guides for my pages were right. This is an 8x10 book for reference. It only costs $4.90 to print. If you want to know how to upload and order your books from Amazon KDP and or Ingram Spark, definitely let me know because I can do a video on that. I am gonna, like I said, change my settings to glossy finish. I am gonna order a proof just so I can like have that. But anyway, like I was saying, now I need to go update this in Ingram Spark and Amazon. This is on Amazon, so I can't do a pre-sale, and I'm not sure if I want to put this in Ingram Spark. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the book. I can't believe it took almost 2 years to make. Brand wants to read this, so I'm gonna hurry up because I need to record a little TikTok with this. But yeah, it took almost 2 years to make. I cannot believe it's finished. It's done. It's here. We just got to make some minor changes. Overall, my experience with Amazon KDP has not been horrible. Again, I've seen a lot of people say they order Prime and the book quality is different, so I may try that as well. But that's my initial thoughts of my book and what I dislike about it, which is the matte finish. And on Amazon, it did say the matte finish was better for dark colors, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and switch to glossiness because, like I said, I do not like all of those fingerprints, and it do take like 72 hours, I think, for Amazon to approve, but they typically approve a lot faster than Ingram. Anyway, that's that. I'll see y'all in the next video. Of course, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and drop a book emoji because my book is here and it's getting ready to release on June 20th, y'all. Called Our Magical Powerful Pencils in the Hidden Clubhouse. If that sounds like it'd be interested to you or anyone in your family, definitely be on the lookout on Amazon to purchase your physical copy on June 20th or before then. I'll drop it in my community tab, so have your post notifications on so you don't miss none of my posts. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.